Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove decals from your vehicle. In my case, I'm working on a previous police cruiser, a Chevy Tahoe. I've sold probably over 100 ex-police vehicles, and with time I just developed a technique what works the best and how is the fastest way to get rid of all those stickers and white tapes. What I will show you in today's video you can use on any type of vehicle, any type of decals. In my case, like I said, I'm working on a previous police vehicle, so this one has lots of these white stripes all around the vehicle. Even here on the top you can see a bunch of reflective stripes. Okay, even on the rear bumper, like here, and yeah. So it usually takes me around 1 hour to completely clean this kind of a vehicle using the products and tools I will show you right now. Okay, so first I will show you what tools I use to get rid of stickers on the vehicles. So first I have a heat gun. You can get one of these for like $25 in any hardware store. Then just a normal drill. This one was also like, I think, $22 actually on a sale in one of the hardware stores. And then this is the most important part, what you will need. This is the decal eraser tool, which goes basically like on the drill. And this is actually used to remove the decals, the stickers, anything on your car, and this is the paint safe. So when you use this, you will not scratch your paint. And you will see here this circle on both sides. This is like your stop line, safety line. If you go past that line, then you might damage your paint. But once you're up to that line, nothing will happen to your paint. This is rubber, and this is made to remove the stickers. When it's brand new, it's maybe up to here. So this one was used on one car already, and I cleaned that car completely. I basically can use one of these on 2 police vehicles. One of these costs like 15 bucks on Amazon, or probably your local hardware store might have it as well. Okay, and this is the last part. This is Goo Gun mixed with plain water. What I'm doing, basically if I mix it up, it's good enough to last on a couple of vehicles. Now on most of the stickers you won't even have to use the heat gun. I use it on these police stripes because they are quite thick and hard to remove without it. So basically I first hit those stripes, and then I can just pull off the top part, and whatever is left then I clean up with this tool. And yeah, okay, so this is how it looks after the heat gun. So you see there is lots of blue steel still left around it, but I will show you now exactly how it's done on the back door. I will try to record with one hand and work with the other. I would need 2 hands actually to do this, but we'll see how this looks. So first I will hit this police stripe. And hit it real good. Okay, and then I will use something plastic. Never use like a metal thingy. You can use whatever you want. Just have to get it like this so it starts peeling off. Okay. Now I think you get the idea how this works. Nice and easy. don't pull hard, just pull it slowly off. Yeah. And pretty much you can use heat gun on any kind of glues. You just have to be very careful not to use it on your bumper, on any other plastic part of the vehicle, because you will melt the plastic and you will do lots of problems for yourself. So you can use the heat gun only on metal. Okay, and now comes the fun part. Put your wheel onto the drill, and I'll show you how this is done now. Now this cannot damage the paint as long as you are not past this line here. Okay. Okay, so what happens here, this rubber wheel takes off completely all the glue and you're just left with this pretty much rubber dust. Yeah, that's how it's done. So basically what you have to do next, do complete vehicle like this, like I showed you, and then the best thing to do is just take a car to a car wash, clean it up, and then once you do that, you might still see on a couple of spots just a bit of glue, a bit of some kind of residue, whatever, and then you would use the Goo Gun mixed with water or the Goo Gun itself and just spray whatever you need and use microfiber towel just to rub it off. Like I said, I can do like one car if I'm really into it in 45 minutes, I think. Yeah. So I will finish now this fender completely so you can see how it looks once it's over. Okay, so I washed off all the dust from the rubber, and now I sprayed it with the Goo Gun and water, and I'm just gonna kind of polish it, whatever, if there is any small residue left or whatever. Yeah, it's gonna go away. Okay, I will go through it one more time. Basically all you need is that decal remover tool and a bit of Goo Gun to remove any decals. Now in my case, why I have to use the heat gun, because these stripes are thick, very thick, and I cannot remove those with only the decal remover wheel. So I have to heat up that stripe to be able to peel it off, and then what's left I remove with the wheel. Now depends what kind of decals you have on your vehicle. You might have to use the heat gun to help yourself. You might not. It really depends on that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope the secret I shared is gonna help you, especially if you purchase a previous police vehicle, so you don't damage your paint or lose 2 days to remove those stripes and stickers they usually have. In the description below this video I will also write a short description, what tools I used and the name of each tool, and yeah, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.